My whole essence is a big circus. Clowns and lion tamers watching Empire. I combine their last names in the last frame. The last game for you feel it. Not the beat machine, I'm gonna pass it to the reason. Like Earth, Wind, and Fire, the reason.
DJ Stealth, he's down with us. Rhetorical Arts, yo, he's down with us.
Yeah.
Thelonious Stretch, yo, he's down with us. Parker Webb, yo, he's down with us. Prime Direct, yo, he's down with us. Josh Hammaker's down with us. Clara's down with us. Hey, yo, this is a must. We number one. I messed it up. I'm sorry. I can't count bars in my head. It's okay, yo. I thought that I was dead, but I woke up. Like, don't wake daddy. This ain't a fucking game, yo. This ain't no patty cake, but I bake it and I eat it too. And I'ma heat it too, cause I'm an oven inside of me. Open the flue like an open flame. Yo, we goin' this, and yo, we go insane. Whenever he play that one beat, we saying this. Shout out to my man Donnie coming through the door, and that's great. Yo, we about to even the score. We doing it, yo, we about to explore like we going through a forest, but I can't see what's around me, but I gotta figure out how to be my own tree, talking to the trees. Fuck that, I ain't really trying to be. I'm my own man, I'ma go and stand. Yo, I'ma make sure I'm like a human mic stand. Hold it all the time. Yo, this be my job. Gotta do this. And yo, I think that I'm a slob. Little bit of a snob. Try not to be too snobbish. And yo, I'm no longer a novice anymore. Yo, this shit is like my office. That's why I'm staying in, I'm never coming off it. It's like a cubicle. This shit is beautiful. And yo, I'm doing it. You know that it's inscrutable. What is that? That's a fucking random word. I'm a fucking nerd, but I don't care. Yo, I was a dictionary when I was a little kid. Yo, that's what they called me. They was like, oh shit, we don't want to listen to this little fucking asshole. But now I do it, yo. I just fucking have to go. I found a fucking channel. Now I dismantle. Now I say shit that even I can't handle. So I gotta do it, yo. I'm never gonna cancel. Yo, I gotta do it. This ain't no fucking Hansel and Gretel shit. Hey, yo, we gonna settle it like the dust settles. Yo, we must doing it. We gotta put the pedal to the floor. You can feel it like there's hot glue on it. We ain't gonna stop you. We stop through the cipher. Check out Stretch's show on Sunday or fucking Saturday. I'm sorry, 20 verses. Yo, we gonna disperse it every time. Hey, yo, we gonna converse with everybody because it's a conversation. Doing it, yo, we care about complications. Don't care, sometimes I have constipation. Can't get the words out, don't know what it says. It's alright, but I gotta do it. Yo, it's daily bread, I be eating it. Yo, it's down the street. Right now, you hear the sound of the beat. It's the sound of the beast. So we have a feast. We sitting down right now. This is where we meet. What attracts me. Yo, this is where we have to be. And we all putting it together like a tapestry.
Yo, he's down with us. Reason, no, he down with us. Prime Direct, no, he's down with us. Parker, you know he's down with us. My man Stretch, you know he's down with us. My man Steph, you know he's down with us. My man Folk, you know he's down with us. My camera crew, yo, they down with us. They down with us, yo, they down with the bus, and I'm down with the trust. Every time that I take it, I'm down with this rush. It's like the gold rush. It's like the rush out of traffic. You know I have this, I had it, because I had to start the havoc. What I'm doing now is doing metaphors of magic. You call it a maverick. Every single time I had this, the lattice, that is. And every time I get it going the saddest, I had this, because I had to do what I did when I saw the mic. I had to grab it, because it's a habit, it's an addict, it's an addiction. It's taking a moment, yo, I can't help it, it's my prescription. It's the thing that I need so that I can listen, so I can break through all the illusions, delusions, and superstitions. What I'm doing is just with a vision, moving it through like light through a prison, trying to find colors and refract so I can find the exact map to get back to the place where I was acting at, to this hip-hop where it was really just rapping at, rapping on doors, rapping on tables, and rapping on floors. Yo, hip-hop was about something more, and now we're here now to explore and open up that door again so that we can find the inner flow and get up with these gems. Once again, when we put it on a pad and a pen, we don't even do that no more. Often, we sit around, we don't have a pad. How long has it been since you've written something down with an actual pen? That's sad. We often don't do that, so we're gonna take it back. Back in the day with rude raps, when people would gather around in a circle, people would connect and share their hurts till it hurts still. But hurt people will heal people, you feel people? This is time, this is a movie, this is our sequel. And this is the time where we connect and we all equal. We take a minute, take a needle, put it to the toe. Every single time we get it, go and put it to the soul. If you wanna pay this price, the price is the fares that you gotta say is you paying the damn toll. We paying the damn low as we paving the damn road. Every single time that we take a minute, breaking the Morse code. I'm breaking the road. I just gotta keep it going until I corrode, until this life even erodes. And I do that as a rose as I erode. Every time that I understand what happens in this moment, now I feel this like a rose. As I arose, as I arrive, and I feel what is happening. I'm connecting to what's inside.
Connected to what's inside. We connected to what's inside.
Come on, come on.
We connected to what's inside.
Parker.
Stay connected to what's inside.